weather forecasting, estimations of traffic jam at certain hours or conditions, predictions of who will win the election, and distributions of height of adult women and men in a certain country are all about probability and statistics. Although probability and statistics have been believed to be important as they are closely related to everyday life, many students still struggle to master them. Understanding student difficulties, errors, and misconceptions has been acknowledged as a part of teachers' pedagogical content knowledge that can be used to support student success in learning and problem solving. It is common to identify student difficulties, errors, and misconceptions by considering their works on constructed response questions or they respond to questions asked by teachers during the learning process. But there's still another opportunity for teachers to identify such information about their student through multiple choice questions. Our study therefore intended to identify student difficulties and errors when solving probability and statistics problem as a means to improve learning. Data of the response of 191 12th graders to a non-compulsory mathematics test that is a part of National Standardized School Examination was used in this study. The test comprised 35 option multiple choice and 5 ESA items covering algebra, calculus, trigonometry and geometry, and probability and statistics. We only focus on the proportions of the number of children who select each option on 5 problems on probability and statistics covering the topic of random variable, normal distribution, and binomial probability to the total number of children who took the test. The existence of these structures, whose proportions are not much different from those in kit option, indicates the presence of student difficulties and errors. The results of our study show that students had difficulties in understanding normal distribution and representing normal distribution word problem into mathematical expression. Other than that, the student also had difficulties and made errors in reading and interpreting the table. We also found student difficulties and errors in calculating or connecting problems to conditional probability and permutation with identical object when solving problems related to random variable and binomial probability. These results imply that students should be more engaged in learning activities that facilitate them to understand normal distribution and its relation to normal distribution curve and z-table, and also facilitate them to make intra-mathematical connection between combinatorics and probability. Thank you.